Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amir Ranjan Pandit, and in this today video we are going to see the two different method how to analyze trust members. So in this type of problem, the question can be asked like either you have to find the member forces or the nature of the forces, whether it is tensile or compressive in truss. And another method is our method of section, where it will be asking to find the magnitude of force and the nature of force in some particular members. So as you can see from the name only, you can think of what is method of joint and what is method of section. In the method of joint, we have to go to individual joint. We have to check that at that joint how many members are connected, and using our equation of equilibrium, the three equation of equilibrium, we are going to solve it, and we will find the magnitude and the nature of the force. However, in this procedure for the method of joint, at every joint I am assuming that all the members are in tension, but if I am getting it is in negative sign, then we will later consider it as compression member. So this is my first question. You can see a truss. At joint A there is a hinge support, at joint E there is a roller support, and this distance is the height of the truss is 4 meter, and from this distance is total distance is 6 meter. A 30 kilonewton load is applied at point C in the downward direction, at D 40 kilonewton in the downward direction, and 60 kilonewton in the downward direction. So first I will draw the free body diagram. So as you can see that the roller is only capable of resisting the horizontal motion here. However, it can move in the vertical direction, and hinge is capable of resisting the horizontal and vertical. I don't know, so I am taking the reaction direction as HA and HE in the inward direction, and BA is outward direction. So first summation of Fy, it means the forces acting along y direction, means the upward force equal to downward force. So only at this Va, means at the hinge, Va is in the upward direction, and this 40, 30 and 60 is in the downward direction, which is equal to 130 kilonewton. So Va the reaction at the hinge, the vertical reaction, which is 130 kilonewton. Next, our summation of Fx, it means what are the forces acting along the x direction. HA plus HE is equal to 0, as there is no horizontal external load. So I have to find the force of HA and HE. So I am taking moment about E. At this point I am taking moment. So this 30 clockwise, 30 into 6, this 40 into 3 clockwise, this 60 into 3 clockwise, then this HA into 4, this is also clockwise. All the clockwise are positive. So my HA is coming minus 120 degree. Minus 120 degree, it means the director should be going in the negative to outside. I have assumed it in the right hand direction. I have to now take the HA is in the outward direction because I am getting HA as negative. So let us start from any joint you can start, but I am starting from joint C, because at joint C these two members are connected, this CD and this CB. If I will go to this point A, problem is that I have 1, 2, 3. However, it is solvable, but we will start from the easier point. So from the joint C, if I will see, so theta I have to calculate from this triangle. So this is my 4, this is my 3. So tan theta equal to P by B, that is 4 by 3. So 53.33. So at this is one member and this is another member. So summation of Fx. So TCD, it is in the negative direction. So I have written minus TCD. TCB is in the minus x direction. So minus TCB into cos 53.13 is equal to 0. Right. Next, summation of Fy. So 30 is in the downward direction, TCB in the upward direction. So TCB sin theta. So I got this TCB value and I replace this TCB value in f of x, so that I calculate the TCD. So the member force TCB and TCD is calculated. Here you can see TCD I am getting minus 22.55. It means it will be in the inward direction. However, my assumption is that from every joint I am assuming the connected member are in tension. Next point, if I will go to joint B, it means at this point, this 60 kilometer is downward direction. BA is connected. You can see this BD is connected. BC is connected. So I have drawn like this. This 60 is here. This is TBA. This is TBD, and this one. So I calculated this angle and I applied summation of fx. Summation of fx means TBA is in this direction, left side, -1, and this is my vertical. It is making angle with the vertical, so horizontal component will be sine. So TBA I am getting 22.5. Next, my summation of Fi, if I will do, 60 is in the downward direction, TBT is in downward, all are in downward direction. So I have taken the negative as common and taken to the right hand side, so that the negative sign is got converted to plus sign. So I replace the value 60, TBD value 37.5 cos 36.86 is equal to, sorry, this is TBC value and TBD is minus, so I calculated the TBD value. Next, I will go to joint D. At the joint D, you will see how many members are connected. This TDE connected, TCD, the 40 is in the downward direction, and TBD. Same summation of Fy, summation of Fx. If I am applying summation of Fy, so TBD in the upper direction, TDA sine 53.13 positive direction, 40 going in the downward direction. So from here we can calculate the TDA. Similarly, if I am calculating summation of Fx, so TCD, TDA, they are in the negative direction. So my TCD is equal to TDE plus TDA cos 53.13 degree. So from here we are calculating the TDE. It is negative sign. Next, at joint A, this H I have considered. I said you that this HA is going in the outer direction, so I have changed the direction to this minus 120. This is 30. These are the member connected. So summation of Fy, if I am calculating, then my VA is equal to this TAE plus TDA sine 53.13. So I am getting TAE as 0, and summation of Fx is equal to 120 plus TAB plus TDA cos 53.13. So I am getting TAB as minus 22.5. So from this we got the magnitude, and we also can say the positive signs are tension and the magnitude which are getting in the negative, they are in compression. This is how we do method of joints. Our next problem is method of section. In this question it is asked to find the magnitude of force in the member this BC and FG. So I will cut the section through this, right? So this is my cut section, how it look like when I am cutting like this. From the right hand side I have taken. So it is because it is easier to calculate, because at the friction side it is difficult to calculate the reaction, the movement. So from this side it is easier to calculate. So what I have done here, the free body diagram you can see here, TCB is making alpha degree with the horizontal. This is my theta degree. This is my theta degree. So total from similarity of triangle, I will calculate these heights B, E, G, C, F, right? So from the similarity of triangle ADE, ADE and ABG, so I calculated this BG. BG is 1.33. Next, from similarity triangle, I will calculate this. It is coming 2.66. So from I will draw a perpendicular B to C dash. So then C to C dash is 1.33. From here to here, C dash to F is 1.33. Right? I will calculate the angle again for this small triangle. This small triangle is from the triangle BGF. So my BGF, I will calculate this theta, and theta equal to this P, and this is my B, because we have to find the magnitude of force here. Similarly, from there to C dash B triangle, we have to find this angle. So tan theta, it is 1.33 divided by this 3. So this is my diagram. So once I calculated the theta value, we have to apply the equation of equilibrium to the whole section. It means we have to do the summation of Fx to the whole, summation of Fy to the whole, and moment. So summation of Fy first, 20, this 20 downward direction, this 20 at B is in the downward direction. Next, this TBF, it is making theta with the vertical, so it will be my cos component. TBF cos, TCB is sine because it is making alpha degree with the horizontal. We know theta, we know the alpha, but we don't know the TBF and TCF. Next, summation of Fx if I will do, so my Fx will be TFG, then TBF and TCB component will be coming. So I am getting another equation. Next, I will take movement about point G. At this point G, this point, this 20 into this distance. First, this 20 into 3. Next, this TBF has one vertical component, this one, that is cancel out. The horizontal component will be my TBF sine into 1.33. TBF sine into 1.33, and this vertical component will pass through 0. So its cos component is anticlockwise and the distance is 1.33. So solving the equation 1 and 3 simultaneously, we are getting TCB and TBA value. Once we get the TCB and TBA value, we can replace in equation number 2 to get our desired solution. Another problem, method of section. Here it is asked, you have to find out the magnitude of force in the member AB and AD. So I will cut the section like this, right? But this is one end is hinge, one is roller, so we can calculate our reaction. So in this problem also you can do from the right hand side and left hand side, no problem. So my summation of Fi, I will put summation of Fi, this Va will be 40, summation of Fx means Ha plus He is equal to 0. Now movement about A, and Ha is getting minus 80, it means the H direction will be in the outward direction. Now I am cutting the section. So I have to find this theta 1 and this theta from the similarity of triangle. I have calculated this BD height, and also the from this triangle I have also calculated the theta and theta 1 value. Next, my sum of Fy for the right hand part section, 40 C at C acting downward. This TDE, it is making theta 1 with the horizontal, so vertical component is sine, and this cos component will be coming here. It is in the upward direction. Next, my summation of Fx. Fx means TAD, TBA, and TDE. Three things will be coming. Next, I have to take moment about D. If I am taking moment about D, it means this TAD and TD will be getting cancelled. This TBA into this height into this 40 into this height. So I am getting TBA value equal to 80. So if I am putting this TBA value in f of x, simultaneously solving equation 1 and 2, we can get the result. But TAD we are getting 0. It means TAD here we are getting 0 force. So this is how we solve method of section. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching.